Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. I'm going to show you how to do the intersect tool to make this blue look like it's going behind the red at some point. So we need to, and it's a little bit more difficult working on because we're on a corner. You need to make your box a little bit bigger because you need to have the 4 white openings. And really it'd almost be easier to rotate it. And look at this. So now I've got that selected. I'm going to hold down the shift key and select that. I'm going to go up the intersect tool and I intersect that part out. Now I'm going to take our box away. I'm going to go to the blue and go to object order back a page. And now I'm going to put this on front and it's going to be on the front of the page. Now the blue here is just the opposite. Now the blue's on top. So we need to do the same thing again. Just draw a rectangle. I'm going to leave it this time like that and see what happens. Not rotate it. Hold down the shift key and select your blue. Intersect it. Move that over. Take your blue. So our blues are different. Go to order back a page, get rid of our rectangle. Whoop. I don't need that circle anymore. And look at that. Now it looks like the blue is behind, in front, and behind. So if we group this together, Control G, Control D to duplicate it, and move the center rotation to the center, make sure it is, and rotate it 14.4 degrees. Whenever I shouldn't have zoomed in, Control D, because now it won't work, so you have to go 28.8. And if you do that all the way around, if we look at it, the blue line, and I didn't draw the line, but look at the blue is behind and front, behind and front. So it looks like the red is going on top, under. So it's pretty cool. It's going to do a lot, I think, better job for him if he does something like that. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit, and thank you for watching.